Ladies and gentlemen, hey hi, how you doing? Today's video we are back at the abandoned factory. The gameplay is team deathmatch. I apologize in advance for the quality of the video because it's the first time I use a scope cam. Without further delay, let's go to the game. I managed to win the first floor on the factory and I start sniping people. I probably just hit the lift, so doesn't count. I heard some enemies trying to flank me for the right side of the field, so I run to hold the place while my teammates arrive. After I eliminate the threat to my teammates, I go back to the same spot I was before.
Surprise, motherfucker!
After taking down one enemy player, I noticed the guy from the engine is still over there, so let's try to shoot him on the ass. After all, looks like I managed to hit him, so for me, I'm glad. It's been 10 minutes since we win the first floor, and the enemy team is trying to flank us. After my teammate going to the respawn, I wait for them to climb so I can catch by surprise.
2,000 years later.
The waiting has paid off, so when my teammates arrive, I tell them to secure this area while I'm going back to my sniping place.
Yeah. 6.5 hours later.
After a while sniping people on the first floor, the enemy team managed to flank me. fun fact, I'm actually glad to miss because that was a teammate.
What's that?
One eternity later.
The whistle means it's the end of the match. It's time to switch sides. After switching sides, the gameplay has changed. Now it's search and destroy, and we have to activate the bomb. The enemy has the higher ground, so they managed to put me down.
Está aqui atrás desta parede. Morto! Não.
On my way to the respawn, my teammate is telling me he has weapon issues.
Essa merda desapareceu aqui.
And now we got to the last footage. I really liked it to put it on a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.